Hey, Gary's Tour Friends. This is the interior of the Bethlehem Hotel. This is the place where guests can stay while they're waiting to have lunch. We also have drink capability there. The Hotel Bethlehem is a destination resort hotel. See the manger that's above. World-renowned decorations. As a matter of fact, give you the name of the person who does the decorations. Famous guy. His name is Anthony Sierra. Is the person who does the decorations for the hotel. I'm told they start sometime early in November to work on the decorations. Here's some residue of what we have for breakfast. We're standing on this floor. There's probably a concierge on the floor. And trees all over the place. Beautiful decoration. This is the grand ballroom. Let's see how the grand ballroom looks. They have a tree? They do. They have a tree in the grand ballroom. This is a famous and wonderful place to come for Christmas parties. Trees all over, decorations galore. Another exterior buffet available, and yet another room for a small private office party. Looks like our friend the sun has come out finally. Here's another view. This is the little cafe room they have, the bar. Some trees again, and yet another view of the manger scene. An absolutely beautiful hotel. Beautifully decorated. It's a 5-star hotel, of course. Here's some photos of in the past. People been here. History of the place. There are lots of little rooms here. For guests to stay. Really cool place to come for Christmas. And lunch. And here's another place, another great little room in the sun for Christmas. As we go downstairs, some more trees. There's got to be about 20, 30 trees here. There's a young lady taking people to lunch. They have reservations, obviously. Lots of people come here for lunch. You've got to have 20 trees, maybe 25 trees here. It's an absolutely beautiful place. When do you start decorating?
We start decorating right before Thanksgiving.
Before Thanksgiving?
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah, we need to have a reservation.
No, but I'm just saying for you.
That's like a bar. Here's some of the famous people who've been here. Senator Casey.
Do you want me to take you? You know,
Cool
you
bar.
don't have to be
Here's
back.
the bar where they say where all the famous people have been.
Yeah, she minds a lot.
They also have, on the floor below, shops and exist. Let's check out some of the shops on the floor level. See what they're selling for Christmas in the shops on the lower level. They have a shuttle bus system where you can park your car. You go back and forth between your car and the shuttle. There's yet another tree. Here's a store.
Yes.
A gift shop type of store. Some of the things they feature in the store. And some more lounge area here.
This is all new for me. You should walk in, it could be all open. No, it's right in here.
Pardon?
No, is it? No, it's not. Yeah, we gotta go up. Who's that? Oh, yeah, that's right.
How you doing? Good to see you. Let's go out and take a look at the front of the hotel. Still getting a lot of people coming?
Yeah.
Excellent. We're going to look at the street. This is the street that the Hotel Bethlehem is on. And the sun has now come out to help us, which is nice. Lots of people gathering here. Lunch. This is the shop. Let's take a look at that on the way back in. Let's go across the street again. We're going to do some, take another shot of this hotel. This is the famous hotel, Hotel Bethlehem. It's a national historic designated hotel. And with the dead cleaver tree there too. Let's walk up the street, adjacent across the street. Looks like there's a lot of Christmas stuff in the store windows here. This is a Bethlehem Christmas shop with lots of Christmas items. Little houses, things that hang on your tree, lots of cool stuff. And there's another Christmas store. It has a train and a King Santa. And some trees. Beautifully decorated. And here's some Christmas decorated gift and sundry store with rubber duckies and stuff for dogs. Now here's the ice cream store right across the street. Probably not doing that much business right now. It's going to be 50 degrees today, which is nice.
It has kind of like a Swedish one.
This is a view of the street. This street looks very old. It's almost like some of the buildings look like they're built in colonial times. Beautiful street to stroll on if you're staying at the Hotel Bethlehem. And here's a place for breakfast. A bagel store. And look at the nature of the houses that are here. They're almost like colonial houses. Many of them probably do date back several hundred years. The building right there in the center of the screen looks like it's a colonial building of some sort. Let's see if we can cross and go back into that store in the hotel we wanted to check out. What do they have here? Flying Egg, Boutique Diner. And they're applying for beverage licenses. And here's the menus for the restaurants that we looked at. Jumbo Shrimp Cocktail, 21. Butternut Ravioli, 17. Mussels, 16. These are appetizers. Salads are all $15, $16, $17. Casual fare, American burger, 19. Lobster roll, 33. Filet mignon, 62. Those appear to be the normal prices these days. And look at how they've decorated lanterns. Made that part of their holiday theme. A lot of decorations they just got before Thanksgiving Day. Let's go in the store and see what we can see in the store. Merry Christmas. I'm glad you joined us here. Let's see what this store looks like. Wow. This is the hotel gift store. They sell many, many nice things, it seems.
Good, how are you?